Let's continue now with the multiples of 7. How do you know that a number is a multiple of 7? Ooh. Actually, few people know that. Well, we can just divide by 7. We can take a calculator, or we can try to find a way. The way to find if a number is a multiple of 7 is this. Let's check, for instance, 343. What you do to check if this number is a multiple of 7, you take the last digit, which is a 3. You multiply it by 2, which makes a 6, and you subtract 34. I mean, you subtract 6 to 34, and you check the result. Here the result is, of course, 28. 28 is a multiple of 7, which means that 34 is a multiple of 7. Let's try another example. Let's try, for example, 3, 2, 1. 1 plus 1 makes 2. 1's multiple doubled makes 2. So, which means we're going to subtract 2 to 32. 32 minus 2 makes 30. And 30 is not a multiple of 7. If you don't know if 30 is a multiple of 7 or not, it's very easy. You do it again. You take the 0, you multiply it by 2, which makes, of course, 0. 3 minus 0 makes 3, and 3 is not a multiple of 7. So it means that 30 is not a multiple of 7, which means that 323 is not a multiple of 7. That works both ways. So, with this tool, which is not easy, but it is better than a division, we're going to check all those numbers and to find which one or which ones in there is a multiple of 7. Well, it's not difficult. Once you're done with all those multiple 7, you make the computation and you realize that only this one is a multiple of 7. I'll do it for you. 3, 8, 1, 6, 5, 4, 7. I'm not taking these twos because this is the 8th digit. We're working only on the 7 first digits. Okay, 7 plus 7 makes 14. Get rid of this. 14, so 54 minus 4, 3, 8, 1, 6, 40 is the result of the subtraction. 0 multiplied by 2 makes 0. So we get, of course, the same result here. 4 plus 4 makes 8. 16 minus 8 makes 0. 8. Now we have 3808. 8 multiplied by 2 makes 16. Sorry. I mean 16. Yes. 18 minus 16 makes 4. 6. 4 and 4 makes 8. 36 minus 8 makes 28, and this is a multiple of 7, which means that all those 380, 3816, and etc. are multiples of 7, which means that finally we know that this number is a multiple of 7, and we're happy of that. Now we have to find the last digit. Well, the only one remaining is a 9, so this is the solution. If you do it with all those remaining, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. All those remaining, which is not a lot of work, just takes like 5 to 10 minutes. you can find that there are no other solutions. This is the only solution, and this is the solution to the problem of how to find a 9-digit number so as to the two first digit where make a number multiple of 2, multiple of 3 with the 3 first digits, etc. Thank you for listening. I hope you got everything that I said. Feel free to comment and ask any question. This is of course used by only basic mathematics that you can have in middle school, and in some countries you might have this in elementary school. Have a nice day. Bye bye.